Assignment deadlines on Moodle. Many assessments at Newman University are delivered on Moodle, our virtual learning environment. At Newman, we very often refer to assessments as assignments, and each assignment has its own assignment brief, which tells you what you have to do, when you have to do it, and how you will be assessed. Sometimes the assessment is an exam, sometimes a quiz, a presentation or a performance, but very often, it is some work that you save as a computer file and upload to Moodle. Typically this might be an essay, which you save as a Word document. All students at Newman can use Microsoft Office 365 for free, and so, all students can use Word. If you prefer a different word processor, you can, but you need to save your file in Word format. The deadline for submitting your work is the last possible time you can submit. It is always 12 o'clock noon, and it is never on a Saturday, or Sunday, or on a day when the campus is closed. If you start uploading at 5 to 12, but the file does not go through until 1 minute past 12, your work is late, and your mark will be capped, normally at 40%. So, you should try to submit a few days before the deadline. If you submit early, you can always upload a newer version later and delete the first submission. But it is important to get something submitted. There is also another advantage to uploading early. You get to see a Turnitin similarity report. You can then see whether there are any problems with your referencing, or whether you inadvertently copied something when you made your notes, and it found its way into your essay. If so, you can fix the issues and resubmit. So, how do you know when your deadlines are? They are stated in the assignment brief. They appear on the timeline on your Moodle dashboard. And they also appear in your Moodle calendar, again on your Moodle dashboard. The calendar is useful because you can also add your own reminders to it. Like, finish introduction to essay on such and such a day. This will help you to manage your time and meet your deadlines. If you do miss the deadline, you have 7 days in which you can submit late, but after that, the Moodle assignment will close, and you will not be able to submit. If this happens, you will probably need to do a reset. At Newman University, we have 3 reset days per year, and you will receive an email with the details. If you know you cannot make a deadline, and you have a very good reason, you can apply for an extension. You need to go to the intranet and search for extensions and complete an online form. If your application is successful, the deadline on the Moodle assignment will be changed just for you. If you miss the deadline, and you do not submit in the late period, but you have a very, very good reason, you can apply for something called mitigating circumstances. Some members of staff call these mitcircs. You need to provide evidence that says there was good reason for you missing the deadline, like you were in hospital for example. Again, you get the application form from the intranet. But hopefully, you will not need an extension, or be late, or need mitcircs. And you will get your work in on time and do well. Good luck.